Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Google Analytics affiliate events setup detailed guide step by step clearly. Before you begin backing up your Google Analytics affiliate events setup, ensure you have access to the correct account. Log in to your Google Analytics account. Navigate to the admin section in the lower left corner of the screen. Select the account that contains the affiliate events you wish to back up. Next, click on the property column and then choose the relevant property. In the property column, locate and click on Data Streams. Choose the data stream associated with your affiliate events. Scroll down to the Enhanced Measurements section to review your setup. Document the current settings you see under Enhanced Measurement. Next, go to the Events section within the Data Stream settings. Make a note of all existing events linked to your affiliate activities. If you have custom events, take detailed notes on their configurations. Make sure to include information such as event names, parameters, and conditions. Next, navigate to the Goals section if applicable. Review any goals that are linked to your affiliate events. Write down the goal names and their corresponding details. Now, navigate to the Conversions section in the Property settings. Document all conversions related to your affiliate events. Proceed to Google Tag Manager if you are using it for tracking. Log in to your Google Tag Manager account. Choose the appropriate container linked to your Google Analytics property. Review the tags set up for your affiliate events. Take note of all relevant tag configurations. Export or screenshot any custom tags you have created for this purpose. Also, check any triggers associated with these tags. Make note of how each trigger is configured. Next, review the variables used in your Google Tag Manager setup. Document any relevant variables that impact your affiliate tracking. After completing the documentation across both Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager, compile all your notes into a single document. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.